So welcome to Chimponcast. Today we've got a fix on the Mini 1 diesel. So this problem is the under tray is sagging down underneath my car. Let me quickly show you what I mean by that. And I'm sure many of you will be familiar. It's one of those things, most modern cars have got an under tray, and those under trays are prone to sagging when the fixings drop. So let me show you what I've got. Basically it's a pack, it's off of Amazon, and we've got a selection of bits there. So rather than me go through and show you what's in there, there's a link on the screen and in the description. Just click the link and have a look for yourself. The fixing that I've bought it for is, oh, throwing one on the floor, is that one. It's quite a nice long reach on it. I have got a clip in the garage. I've got lots of these little brass ones, but they're not quite long enough to get across for the under tray fixing. So this one, a bit more of a reach on it. And this is the one that I've bought this pack for. So let me show you how it works, and we'll get this car fixed. So first of all, very important to point out that we have got the car jacked up using the BMW supplied jack. The wheel I have placed underneath the sill, so if anything does drop, we're protected. And we've also got an axle stand which is protecting. It's underneath something quite solid. Never get under your car even for a couple of seconds without fully making sure that if the jack fails, that the car's not going to land on your head. We definitely don't want that. So let's have a look at how these fixings work, and they're very, very straightforward and simple. Right then, so basically the way we're going to fix this is, you can see we've got a hole in something solid on the car there, which corresponds with a hole in the under tray. And what we're going to do is just put this clip in position there. There we go, and then we can screw through from the under tray, and then we can screw up into that fixing there, and 10mm spanner, and then we can get that held up. We've got a couple along here we can do, and basically that is going to secure the under tray up in a nice position for us. So let me get on with that, and I'll get all of those up. There's about 5, maybe 6 that I can replace there, which is going to be making a big difference. Even if I can only get 3 or 4 of them done, it's going to hold that under tray up nicely. So the link for what I've purchased is in the description and on the screen. Check it out for yourself, and don't suffer your under trays dragging along the floor like we have done for so many weeks.